Welcome to the Un-English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, September 11, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to kickstart my brain. Got a long day ahead.
Same here. I've got a big meeting this afternoon.
Oh, meetings, always a blast. Hey, did you hear about what's happening in Nepal?
No, what's going on there?
Their prime minister resigned. Big protests over a social media ban and corruption stuff.
Wow, that's serious. Protests can change a lot in a country.
Yeah, it's crazy. Young people were so angry they even set buildings on fire.
That's intense. It shows how much people care about freedom online.
For sure. I just hope it doesn't mess up any business deals we have in that region.
True, instability can scare off investors. It's a risk for projects too.
Exactly. If the government's shaky, who's going to trust signing contracts with us?
Good point. We'll have to watch how things settle down over there.
Yep, fingers crossed it. Doesn't hit my sales. Anyway, on a different note, did you see Apple's new stuff?
Oh, the new iPhones and watches? I heard they had a big event.
Yeah, they unveiled them this week. Everyone's buzzing about the new features.
Nice. What kind of features are they talking about?
Better cameras, faster chips, and some cool health tracking on the watch. Sounds pretty neat.
That's interesting. A good health tracker could be useful for busy days?
Totally. I need a phone that doesn't die in 2 hours while I'm on client calls.
I get that. Battery life is everything when you're always on the go.
No kidding. If this new one's good, I'm grabbing it as soon as I can.
I might wait for some reviews first. But new tech always gets me curious.
Same here, I'm a total gadget geek. Can't resist the shiny new toys.
I can see that. It's fun to see what they come up with next.
Oh yeah? Hey, speaking of news, did you hear about the UK Deputy Prime Minister?
No, what happened there?
She resigned over a property tax scandal. Apparently, she underpaid taxes on a flat.
Oh wow, that's a big deal. Another resignation in politics?
Yep. Their government looks like a total mess. How do they even get anything done?
It does sound like drama. But it's sad when trust in leaders breaks down.
For sure. And if clients hear about this, they might think twice about UK deals.
That's a real concern. Politics can ripple into business so fast.
Exactly. I've got a few UK clients, so I'm hoping this doesn't slow things down.
Let's keep an eye on it. News like this can change plans quickly.
Yeah, never a dull moment in the world, huh?
Not at all. There's always something big happening somewhere.
True that. Makes you wonder what's coming next, right?
It does. I just hope it's more good news than bad.
We can dream. Hey, by the way, how's your project coming along?
It's okay, just a lot of deadlines piling up. What about your sales targets?
Oh, I'm pushing hard to close a deal soon. It's been a grind.
I bet. But I'm sure you'll nail it with that charm of yours.
Thanks, Alex. Gotta keep smiling for those clients.
Always works. Just don't let the stress get to you.
Nah, I'm good. Coffee helps with that too.
Haha, coffee saves the day. It's my secret weapon.
Same here. Can't start without it. Hey, you got any big plans after work?
Not really, just catching up on some emails at home. You?
Probably just chilling with a movie. Need to unwind a bit.
Sounds nice. A quiet evening is sometimes the best.
Yep. Gotta recharge for tomorrow. Always another busy day.
That's the office life. Never a break for too long.
You got that right. Hey, speaking of Nepal again, do you think social media bans could happen here?
I hope not. It would cause a lot of problems for communication.
Yeah, imagine no quick updates for clients. Total chaos.
Exactly. Social media is key for so many things now.
For sure. I use it to check on leads all the time.
Same. It's part of managing projects too. We need it.
Totally. Man, the world's changing so fast, isn't it?
It really is. Hard to keep up sometimes.
No. Kidding. Oh, back to Apple. Do you think the new watch is worth it?
Maybe if it helps with time management. I'm always juggling tasks.
Same. I just want something that doesn't bug me with too many notifications.
That's a good point. Too many alerts can be distracting.
Yep, I just need the basics to work well. Keep it simple.
Agreed? Simple tech is sometimes the best for work.
For sure. Hey, about that UK news, do you think scandals like this happen a lot?
Probably more than we hear. Trust in leaders is hard to keep.
Yeah. Makes you wonder who's really in charge. It's a bit scary.
It is. But we just have to focus on our own work, right?
True. Can't control the big stuff. Just gotta keep pushing sales.
Exactly. Stick to what we can do every day.
Yep, that's the plan. Hey, I better get back to my desk soon.
Me too. Got a pile of emails waiting? Can't ignore them forever?
Emails never stop, do they? Catch you later, Alex.
See you later, David. Have a good day.
You too, Alex. Take it easy.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.